Hello everybody, week 5, 55 users. So I'm not doing the videos daily anymore. Yesterday I didn't do it, and yesterday we added other 2 kinds of content. I'm working a lot on getting the content done. It's right now 9:30 and I should be going to bed, but instead I'm here doing more content. And yeah, today I have not posted nothing yet. I have been trying to build better content, so I'm doing a pretty fun commercial with a zombie made with AI, and it's taking me hours to get it done, but it's the first time, so it makes sense that it takes me more time. So working on it, working on getting better content in general and to add better content, but it's taking me so long. So in this weekly report, what to say, this week has been a big week on content, on creating, making the content be able to go schedule, so I don't post 2 pieces in the night so fast. So that's the idea. So I have learned a lot of posting with AI content. I use AI for everything now, and that's the goal now. Posting with AI and getting better content. And next week, hopefully, we can get the Indiegogo. And that's it. We'll post again next week. Hopefully, this week I will be able to post other kinds of content. Please download Panbit and let's go. Help people with their habits and donate a lot of money.